Hey everyone, this is your post test for Unit 13. So make sure that at the top of your page, it says Unit 13 post test with your name, and then go ahead and number 1 through 12. You can rewind and pause this video as much as you need. Just make sure that you have completed the test and turned it into Unit 13 post test on Friday. Okay, number 1, angle. The photograph of the celebrity was taken from an interesting angle. Number 2, article. An article about school safety appeared in this week's newspaper. Number 3, circle. It takes approximately 365 days for the Earth to circle the sun. Number 4, handle. The handle of the skillet is hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Number 5, middle. Nicholas is a middle child. He has an older sister and a younger brother. Number 6, people. Millions of people ride the New York City subway every day. Number 7, possible. The veterinarian treated the dog's wounds as quickly as possible. Number 8, sample. Mia asked for a sample of the ice cream before placing her order. Number 9, settle. The teacher instructed her students to settle down and work quietly. Number 10, stable. My uncle's farm has a stable with 8 horses. Number 11, struggle. Tyler went to bed late, so waking up the next morning was a struggle. And number 12, title. The author and the illustrator agreed on a title for their new book. All right, once you guys are done with that, please take a picture and post it under Unit 13 post test.